Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another Zukul Trade video. In this video, I would like to show you how to get started in Zukul Trade, or it's the best way that I think is to get started with Zukul Trade. In the previous video, I showed you a brief overview of Zukul Trade, and I highly recommend you have a look at that. You can just go to my YouTube playlist of Zukul Trade to find that video. So to get started with Zukul Trade, you're going to need to register with three websites. The first website will be your exchange where your funds will be held. And then the second one is Zukul Trade itself. And the third one is optional, but I recommend you join it, is Zukul.com. Zukul.com is like the mothership of Zukul Trade, and it's an affiliate suite, or rather internet marketing website with loads of tools to help you with internet marketing and build the online business. So with Zukul Trade, you're going to pay a monthly fee, and it depends how big your package is. The bigger the package that you opt for, the more you're going to pay per month. But this fee that you pay in Zukul Trade is exactly the same that you'll pay if you include Zukul. So that's why I recommend joining Zukul.com as well, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do it. So first of all, I recommend you join, if you in a first world country, you should be able to join Gdax, because Gdax and SEX exchange or CEX exchange are the only exchanges that can talk to the Zukul Trade bot. So initially they started off with Gdax, and if you stay in the UK or the US, you shouldn't have a problem to sign up with Gdax. But in my case, I'm in South Africa, and so if you cannot join Gdax, like in my case, then you can join CEXIO exchange and use the bot that way. And then after you join the exchange, I highly recommend you get verified and also link your social profiles onto the exchange, so that you are completely verified. I got verified within a couple of hours. I've heard other people struggle a bit. It could be the documents that are not clear, or I don't know. What I did was I uploaded my ID from South Africa, the front and the back, and also a selfie with me holding my ID. And then also I uploaded one of my utility bills. Also linked my Facebook and my Google Plus, I think, with CEX, and I got, it was almost immediately that I was verified. So what I did then was, of course, on South Africa, my usual exchange is Luno. So then I transferred from my Luno, I exchanged my Bitcoin to CEX. And then I had to go to buy the trade and exchange my Bitcoin into a US dollar. I think most of you, depending where you are, will be in US dollar. So I'll make sure you can see my US dollar account. You'll see there's Bitcoin in there and also Zcash, and that's because my bot is trading with these amounts. But you must have the fiat currency available in your exchange. So after you've joined your exchange, you don't have to wait for verification or transfer your Bitcoin yet. You can just join CEX or Gdax, and then the next step would be to join Zukul.com. all my affiliate links will be in the description below, and obviously I'll appreciate if you join my team, and I'll also be available to help you with WhatsApp or on Facebook to get you set up. After you've joined Zukul.com, you don't have to, all these programs are free to join. The next would be to join Zukul Trade. When you join Zukul Trade and you go to register, it will ask you if you've got a Zukul.com account, and you just say yes, and you use your email that you used to join Zukul.com to register with Zukul Trade. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to log into your accounts, and then you're ready to go. So as soon as your money is available, or you exchange your Bitcoin back to fiat currency like US dollar in CEX, then you can go back to Zukul Trade, and then you can log in. Just use your username and password that you selected. I'm just going to log into my account. And then as soon as you've logged in here, you must go to Getting Started. In the Getting Started, you'll see all these blocks here that you can click on to get more information. So I highly recommend you click on these buttons here and watch the videos and read the information here, especially if you're a complete newbie on trading. Just go through that. It won't take you too long. And then after that, obviously you need to set up your bot. To set up your bot so that okay, let me backtrack. So that the Zukul Trade can talk to your exchange, you're going to need the API keys. I'm not going to show you in this video how to do it, because there's very good videos from Jeremy showing you how to do it. After you've only have to do it once. After you've done it once, then you can set up multiple bots with the same details. But these API keys, you basically give the Zukul Trade bot permission to trade for you. The Zukul Trade bot's not going to take your money. It's just going to give instructions to the exchange to buy and sell on your behalf. It cannot make withdrawals or anything like that. So your funds in your exchange, in my case, CEX is safe. There you can see my funds is here, and you can see what it's busy trading with, these amounts. So whenever it's making a trade, then you'll see the amounts getting changing here. When it sells, it will become more. If it buys, it will become less. You can also go to finance, and you can see the individual trades under transactions. That's also another proof that this bot is real, because all the transactions are here. You can see where it buys and sells. Today it's been very busy in selling. I'll show you now. I just made a video 4 hours ago, and there's already another 2 transactions that have come through, which I'll show you in a minute. So you've got all these trades. So you can see this is not a fake bot like BitConnect or all these other programs that we fell for early in the year or last year, and making us this unreal returns. At the end of the day, it was unreal. This is real, and your money is safe because you are in control of the bot. You can switch off the bot at any time, and the funds, everything will be liquidated, and the funds will go back to your exchange. The exchange is not related or connected to Zukul at all. It's completely independent. The only place where Zukul is taking your money is the subscription fee that you'll pay. It starts with plus minus $10 and goes up depending what package you take. So go through all these years of, if you get stuck, there's frequent asked questions, how to connect. Okay, here's where you connect your CEX API keys with the bot. Very, very important. Go through this video. Okay, it's not loading because my internet may be slow. Just let's refresh that. But there's also text. There the video is loading now. There's also text here. I found it, I didn't even have to read all these texts. I just watched that video from Jeremy and I was able to set up or connect my bot. So as soon as you're ready with that, then you go to dashboard and then you can add your bot here. So you just select the exchange that you're using, and then you can import your keys from another bot. In other words, that is, I've already set up my bot before, so I just click on that. But there are videos showing you exactly what to do on the getting started page of how to set up your bot. There are different peoples with different theories how to set up their bots. At the moment, you can see I've played $300 in each bot. I've got 2 bots, and then each bot is split into 10 lots of $30 each. But you can change that. The minimum size in CEX is $20, so you can make it 10 times $20 bots. Then you only need $200 to set it up. I just want to see, you can also tell it what percentage you want to earn, or the minimum you want to earn. But what I've found is it goes far over what I've set. Like in this case, I've called my bot 1.17%. That's basically the percentage that I want to earn is 1.17% on each trade. But so far I've earned much more than that. You can see here I've earned 5.6%, 5.8%, 5.1%, 6.1, 5.8, and that was all done today. But it's playing with small amount because each lot is only $30. Because I told it it's got $30 to play with each lot. That helps in the case if there's a big slump in the market. The bot normally buys when the price goes down, so it can buy 10 different slots. But it's not 100% true because the bot also decides when to buy. It won't buy all 10 at once. If you set up the backup bot, then it will buy 6 lots and it will keep 4 lots in reserve, or 60% of your lots it will use, and then it will wait until the price stabilizes and then will buy more. And as soon as the price goes up again and it thinks it's gone up enough or it's starting to turn, it will start selling. But the exact way it's buying something, it's all a secret. I don't know what that is. This is my ZX, my Zcash and versus US dollar bot. And you can see this is the current price, and here you can see this is the 8-hour chart. You can go up to 48 hours, and you can see here it sold a lot. Yesterday or the previous day it bought a lot, and then nothing happened because the price went sideways, it dipped again, and then you can see it made 5 sells today. You'll see it's a down arrow that is colored in, then you know it's a closed. If it's a arrow up that is not colored in, then it's an open trade. But here you can see I've got 2 more lots open here, but you can see I bought it at, or the bot, not me, at 232 on the 15th, so that's 3 days ago. But we're already far over that, so it's looking for the price to go higher, and you can see it's actually going high at the moment, but somehow the bot knows that, or just gives the price chance to go up even higher before it sells. So I think with these trades I'm going to make more than 5% or 6% on these trades, which is actually brilliant. On the Bitcoin side, you'll see it's a different story. Because the price has gone sideways for so long time, Okay, this is the last 24 hours, but if you look at the last 7 days, I've been in Zukul Trade now for the last 5 days, so this is 7 days. It's been going sideways, so it hasn't been doing much. But if you go to my BTC US dollar, even though it's been going sideways, I've still made or not me, I say every time, but it's the bot, made me these anything between 3.5 and 4.75% on each trade, which is also brilliant. So let's just see if I can see any trades in the last 48 hours. You can see it bought almost right at the bottom, so the timing was brilliant there. So that one it should be in profit already. The price is 8113 now. And that one's already in profit, or there's a buying the price it bought it at. This one's in profit too, and this one's in profit. So yeah, that's actually brilliant. I don't have a sell now button, but in the Gdax bot there's a sell now. This will be added to the CEX robot, but the CEX exchange is still a little bit behind in the development, but they said it will be added soon. So, but even though it's not completely developed yet, it's still working great. So that's also good news to me. You can see how many people have joined so far in the new program. So you can see we're still in the beginning. This is still the pre-launch of Zukul Trade. So if you like being an affiliate or like internet marketing and referring your friends, then you can earn quite a lot on the referral commission. I'll just sign in here, and I'll show you that I've already received people on joining me in Zukul, in the Zukul bot. Let me just, or Zukul Trade. Okay, when you in a Zukul, you can also, you see the same buttons here, but you see additional internet marketing like email, autoresponder, affiliate plan. Here's a compensation plan. There's about 5 different ways you can download the presentation. I think there's almost 5 different ways of earning with the affiliate program, but you can watch this video that will show you in detail what it's about, or maybe I can make a video later on about it. But this is just to get started. I want to show you all this, and then you can see they've got capture pages, and all of this is included. To upgrade, you go to okay, to get started. Before you set up your bot, something I forgot to say is that you need to have the starter package. So to do that, or to buy or let me show you my funnel so far. So there's a starter, and you can see here I've already got 4 people joining. So the people are joining, although we're still in the beginning, there's already a lot of people joining, and this will fill up fast now, I think, as we get along. You can see I've got the beginner package. I started with the starter package. It's about $10 per month, depending on where you are in the world, because it's priced in Bitcoin. So I'm just saying dollars. But I'm on the beginner. I've got nobody on my beginner so far, but I'm still going to get paid on those funnels. And as I upgrade, I'll get paid in all 4 funnels. Or if I'm in the start and beginner, I'll get paid in both these. If I'm in the intermediate, I'll get paid from all these. If I'm advanced, I'll get paid in all 4 funnels. Yeah, so to get started, you need to go to, let me just see if it's my finances, or let me just click on profile. No, it's not profile. Let me just go to beginner package. then you can see upgrade. So you click on upgrade now, then you buy your beginner or starter package, and just click on buy now, and you'll get your Bitcoin address you need to send the funds to. And if you want to upgrade, so if I want to upgrade, I also just click on buy now, and then I upgrade. Here you can see my balance, but they'll tell the amount that I need to pay over and what wallet address. Then you just pay that over, and as soon as it registers, then you'll be able to use your bot. In the bot here, you'll see the trading quota. If you haven't purchased the beginner or start or any package yet, it will say nothing here or 0. Then you won't be able to set up your bot. But go to the Getting Started tab to learn how to get started or set up your bot. So I'm on the second level on the beginner, so I can trade from 600 or from 300 to $1,500. And then the top package goes up to $6,000. If you want to go higher than that, you need to submit a support ticket, but you can trade with more than that. I just want to show you what the bot looks like when you set it up. Then I'm just going to use the credentials of one of my existing bots. Logging to Exchange. So here you can see at the moment I don't have any funds available because I'm using all my funds in my 2 bots, because I only uploaded $600, so I've got $300 in each bot. But here you can call your bot whatever you want to. I put the percentage there, and then you can, there's all the different exchanges or the different cryptocurrency you can use. There's Bitcoin Cash, there's Bitcoin and Euro, Bitcoin and US dollar, there's Dash. But I recommend if you've loaded US dollar in your exchange, use Dash US dollar or use Bitcoin and US dollar. I don't know what the effect will be if you use Euro. You might have to change some of your dollars into Euro in the exchange. And there's Zcash, the one that I'm using now, and there's Ripple, there's Ether. I don't know what XLM is, but yeah, you can play around and create as many bots as you want to, depending on obviously how much cash you've got in your account. And then let's say, okay, that's BTC, and then it will be Zukul Trade crypto bot. That's the only bot available. And then you add, so you've got 300 that you've just added, and you put in the how many slots you want or bots lots you want, and then the amount of each lot. See, I can't change that, so maybe it's defaulted to 30. So 30 is maybe the, oh no, no, sorry, that changes as depending on the number of lots. So I made a mistake there. Sorry about that. So you've got to play around with this numbers here, and then you must tell how much you want to earn. Do you want to earn 3% on the $30 or whatever number? So I recommend starting with a smaller amount, like 1 point something percent or 1%, maybe 1%. So anything above 1%, you'll be happy. And then this is the trading amount. This is your return on investment that you want to earn on the $300. So I've put mine on infinite, so it will keep on trading until it gets to that infinite number. Or you can say you want 80% return on investment on your $300, and then you just place it there. And then it will stop. The bot will actually stop trading. And then there's auto compound. So the returns it makes, it will add to your lots. So your lots will get bigger and bigger. You can switch that on or off. And then the enable backup bot. The backup bot is what I explained earlier. If there's a big drop and it starts buying, it will use up 60% of your lots and then wait as a safety measure to get the price to settle down, and then we'll only use the other 40%. The exact science or the exact way it's going to do that, I don't know, because it's basically secret. But you can switch it off. So if you don't expect there to be a slump, then and you want the bot to trade more aggressively, then you can just take that enable backup bot. You can disable it by just switching it off. And your bot will be more aggressive with its buying. I think next time I set up a bot, I'm going to untick it, and so I'd like to see the bot more aggressive. Because the mistake that I made in the beginning is I've been watching this all the time. I want to see what the bot is doing. So the first 3 days I'll be watching the bot all the time. But you must, what I've seen in the chat rooms or in the Telegraph chat, is that you must leave it for at least a week to do its thing. But like I said, I've been in for 5 days and I've already seen great results. It's quite amazing that what this bot can do. So yeah, that's been quite a long video. I hope I explained everything. I'm sure I've missed something, or it's not 100%. Do your own research as well. It is very risky. This is not financial advice. Yeah, if you've got any questions, please comment below or send me an email. I'll put my email addresses below. Please join my team and I'll help you get set up. I've put all my affiliate links below. If you want to first check it out and see if I'm successful, please subscribe to my channel, and please give us a upvote if this or thumbs up if this video was any help to you. It will help my business or online business a lot. And then yes, follow me that way, and you'll see my progress. I'll try to make regular updates so that you can see if this bot is working or not. So far so good, and I'm very excited for Zukul Trade and Zukul.com. So yes, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.